I mean bengayiboni nje into this was the longest game ever. Bengayiboni nje into ebiyenzeka lapha but nje I saw ukuthi uManqoba is trying to counter attack ngespeed kodwa nje hayi like they couldn't complete five passes like
uphaselana nje
bebodwa bengakori kuthiwa phaselanani ke
oyedwa
phasa
because ama long ball wabo be interceptwa bese bayaphenika behluleka ukudlala ibhola and enye into engiyibukile kuze kufike ekuthenini uMegcela athola ikhadi ayebebethanda ukuba rough ehlangothini la ka right hayi bathe ukuyidlalisa rough nyana ilokhojana iGolden Arrows yabo nakhona ikhadi bekungamele iqale lapha kulokhojana kuMegcela kodwa ke ureferee nama decision akhe kona ayi bekungasingazathi igame ya ku PSL ne disc challenge lapha nama games akhona awamnandi compared kodwa ke sithi ke babuya abantu kuyi-rest isikhathi eside
bakhathele baphuma uChristmas
bedlela noma ngayini mhlawumbe baphuze ukujima nokuthi bakhumbulane ukuthi badlalisana kanjani
because ngathi uManqoba nje bethi so defender then bese sibashanga counter attack ngespeed